Hi! IKEA has once again surprised us with a new outdoor chair in a nice black color with a bit of a vintage feel. Today I will unbox the IKEA VASMAN chair with armrests and testing it. These chairs can be purchased individually or together with the VÄSMAN extendable outdoor table set. A nice bonus is that the chairs are stackable, which helps you save space. The chair is tested for 110 kilograms, 242 pounds. The weight of the chair itself is 7 kilograms, 15 pounds. The article number of this chair is 402, 116, and 37. It comes fully assembled. You only need to remove the packaging that protects the chair from scratches during transport. Make sure to recycle the packaging responsibly to help protect nature. The chair also features 4 plastic feet to keep it stable and protect your flooring from scratches. The chair is well packaged. If you want to remove the armrests, it's very easy, as they are attached with just 2 small screws. The frame is made of steel with a polyester powder coating, and the chair is designed by Niels Gammelgaard. The seat is made from polyethylene plastic. The chair is comfortable to sit on, with a nice feel, and you can even gently swing in it. My weight is around 77 kilograms, 169 pounds. If your grandmother wants to use the armrests to help her stand up, that won't be a problem. Even though they flex a little, I could safely lean my full weight on them. If you plan to sit in this chair wearing a swimsuit, you might want to place a towel or blanket on it. The black color can get very hot in the sun, and the seat and backrest wires can leave marks on your skin. You might end up looking like grilled bacon. Otherwise, the chair is very comfortable and well made. If you plan to use it with the VÄSMAN extendable outdoor table, keep in mind that it's less convenient to place at the ends of the table, but works perfectly along the sides. In the next video, I'll be taking a closer look at the other new IKEA outdoor chair, the Armchair. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, write them in the comments below. I'd also appreciate it if you give this video a like. Good luck!